Hi everyone, I'm Kamil and I'm excited to say that I'm a new coach and personal trainer at the Marlow Club. As a way of introducing myself, I'm gonna run an 80-minute workshop which will be based on Marlow Club 6 pillars. The 6 pillars are exercise, recovery, nutrition, stress management, movement and sleep. We are gonna cover in our workshop 4 out of 6. We're gonna cover exercise, we're gonna cover recovery, nutrition and stress management. I was thinking about sleep as well, maybe put like 60 minutes sleep out of the 80 minutes, but then I changed my mind. So let's go now into structure, tools and timeline. So the exercise will be covering 10-minute warm-up, where we will work on dynamic warm-up. Then there will be 30-minute workout, which we're gonna do with one dumbbell with the body weight exercises, and it will be focused on strength and conditioning. Then we go into recovery, where we will do 10 minutes recovery. We will use foam roll, we will use stretching, and we will do some mobility. Then we move on into nutrition mini seminar, which is gonna take 10 minutes, where you're gonna learn about essential information about nutrition, diet, preparation, and your eating habits. And lastly, we move on into the 4th area, which is the stress management. And here we're gonna use 2 mindfulness tools, and it's gonna be meditation and journaling. It will be 10 minutes each. In the meditation, we'll be doing meditation with some instrumental music. And then we will do some journaling where we will write on paper and we'll be reflecting on certain things. That could be anything from gratitude or maybe insights you learn from the session, or maybe your plans for a day, whatever works for you, where you need to reflect. So that's it. That's our structure. We have the total time of 80 minutes. I really look forward to see you in a club. I hope you will find this useful. I hope you will find time, or make actually time for this. It is your investment into your health, into your well-being, and it's a nice combination between something which is causing us stress, like for example exercise, it's gonna be a little bit higher intensity, and then we have a lot of recovery stuff, whether it's for body, which is the recovery here, like stretching, mobility, or it's for your mind recovery, which is meditation and journaling. So it's nicely balanced workshop. So make sure you book your slot, and I will look forward to see you in the club.